You just go right into it, don't you? What's... All right, what do we got?
1/3 of a teaspoon of salt.
Salt. 1/3.
Sugar.
1/4.
To recap, 1/3 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, tablespoon of soy.
Okay.
Sure, throw some white pepper in. 2 teaspoon Shaoxing wine coming up.
Okay.
Tablespoon of water. Be real gentle with the sesame oil. One and a half teaspoons cornstarch. Mix it up, let it sit. Alright, got a little sauce made for the end of the stir fry. 10 tablespoon chicken broth. 3 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 teaspoon cornstarch. There was an earthquake in Idaho tonight. Shout to Sun Valley.
Oh. How do you feel? Leek chicken sauce broth.
What's that?
Shaoxing Chinese wine. Garlic. Rice cooker. My new spoon. My new rice spoon. Medium high heat.
Stop that.
Walk, 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 walk,
Don't
walk.
get crazy.
Vegetable oil. Pure, pure. How much are you adding?
I don't know.
That pure vegetable oil. A little dash, right?
Honey? We're doing this. Can't have that.
Leek. Yummy.
We're 90 seconds in. In about 30 seconds, we'll add the cooking wine. Let it cook a little longer. We're gonna turn this down. Mix up that cornstarch.